Hi friends, welcome to Techta channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to insert or type graduation cap and medal symbol and ribbon symbol in MS Word with using keyboard shortcut key. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your MS Word. First of all you need to select CGO UI symbol. For graduation symbol, type here 1F393. Then press on Alt plus X. You can see here graduation symbol has been inserted. For medal symbol 1F396. Then press on Alt X. Medal symbol also has been inserted. For ribbon symbol, type here 1F397. Then press on Alt X. You can see here ribbon symbol also insert. You can change size and color also. Select. Select and change color also. That's it guys. So in this you insert or type graduation cap, medal and ribbon symbol in MS Word. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.